plastic square. Normally they are using this kind of nets.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So this square mesh cotton is a
What is the advantage?
advantage is the fish will. So because like they, this what happened is here.
I understand that.
This is the second level of biogas production where you attach a grid to the rods. So this is the second level, and these are the technologies so that and it gives a grid and turkey can escape. So the fishes will go directly to the rod. So that is the technology which we have to develop and customize. And these are the traditional types. And then these have been customized and then have been modified so that it can be folded and kept like that. So small, single vessels, boats you can carry many number of sea can stack together like this. So many
Old days, it used to be much more
plastic production is there, but we can fully closed and just harvest
the fish with the hand. So maybe all the students will be coming and visiting.
Sir.
She's India English. Seventh Marine Sea Production Technology has been standardized, variable standard. This is John's standard. This can be cage cultured, and the production cost is 180 rupees per kg, 5 to 6 months. But farm gate price is 400 rupees.
We Singapore నుంచి తెచ్చేవాళ్ళు సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం సక్సెస్
years, and now we are going to add some new seeds, is really going to add to our wealth. It is not only wealth, it is also health. A healthy wealth is fisheries. That's why it's very important. మంచి ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ఇస్తుంది, మంచి ఐశ్వర్యాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. With the advent of pandemic, now it's very clear that one must go for good food, protein food. ఆరోగ్యకరమైన ఆహారాన్ని తినాలా, మంచి శక్తివంతమైనటువంటి ఆహారాన్ని తినాలి. అది మనకి ఇప్పటికే బోధపడి ఉంటుంది. మన పూర్వీకుల కాలంలో తినేవాళ్ళం. మధ్యలో మనం అలవాట్లు మాని పాశ్చాత్య వ్యామోహంలో పడి మన అలవాట్లు మార్చుకున్నాం. దానివల్ల కూడా సమస్యలు వస్తున్నాయి. సో దే విల్ నీడ్ ఫర్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్, గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఓన్ ఒరిజినల్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్. Physical activity, either it is yoga or walking, exercise. Secondly, also having good food, good diet. Both are very, very important. This is the lesson this pandemic has taught us. Sedentary lifestyle, laziness, added with craziness, will lead us to darkness. This we have to understand. So we have to think about this, as this is the first open meeting. Open means though we are meeting in a closed hall because of the paucity of space here. I would like to appeal to the people to please go back to the old lifestyle and then have exercise daily and also eat good food, proteinous food. And fisheries is a good food. In addition to this, we must see to it our wealth is also increased, and then the development reaches the common people of the country. Government is making all efforts to reach to the common people, but we need further wealth creation because we are a huge country. And we have to create wealth so that we can distribute wealth. So, today, I am very happy to be amidst you today in this Andhra coast, Visakhapatnam, one of the most beautiful cities where I have spent good number of years during my college days. I was a student of this university. We used to move around in this Resavanipalam, Chinavoltaire, Pandurangapuram, where you are located, Kedampudi. These were the areas. Later, Daba Gardens, Jagadamba Junction, Purna Market, old post office, all old places. But this is the area. So I felt happy today. And moreover, friends, I made it a program for myself after I became vice president. Earlier as a minister, as public representative, I used to go around, meet people, greet people, talk with people, walk with people, eat along with the people. But after becoming vice president, there is a protocol. So you can't move that much freely. But after becoming vice president, I have decided that I should go around the country, meet youth who are the future of the country, interact with them, inspire them and take inspiration from them. Second, I have decided to meet farmers who produce food for all of us and who are responsible for our food security. Even in this pandemic, the one sector where people have worked hard and produced more are farmers. So I salute the farmers, including fish farmers. Thirdly, I have decided to visit as many research centers as possible. Scientists, interact with scientists, know what they are doing, understand what are the problems, what is the progress made, and what is the future agenda. And so that if necessary, you can convey the problems, if any, to the government from time to time. And fourth is, of course, various associations, NGOs, voluntary organizations, Chamber of Commerce, doctors, businessmen, who are all stakeholders in the
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వైజాగ్ విజన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.